So I've just realised that the bike shop may have fit the wrong sprocket and chain, so they open at 9, which is about 20 minutes away. So I'm quickly leaving this room and making my way there to have a chat with them. But the problem we have is even if the chain was the correct length, he says the adjuster won't move forward. I counted the links all the way around and it's 110 link chain when it should be 108. The bigger problem is not the bigger problem, one of the problems is the adjuster. I've got to pass 2 days and come back on Monday. If not, then we'll just have to ride as it is. This doesn't look like the best of places, but I've got no choice. I need to stay around here and come back to the bike shop on Monday. Not sure what this is for, but I'm sure someone got killed somewhere. So inside it's not too bad. As you enter, you go down one. And there you can see the bike. It's not a bad room, to be honest, it's just the location that was bad. Get changed now, have a walk around, try not to get mugged or killed. No, I think it's right in the daytime, it's probably what happens at night. I read reviews and other people felt the same, so it's not me imagining things, saying that it's dangerous at night and so on. There's my hostel, and all around it are these type of buildings, and the graffiti everywhere, and hostel painted in black of all colours. Yeah. Look, stunt bikes. Oh, cool. Who would have thought? Nice. Anyway, yeah, look at the lovely surrounding here. Yeah, and look, directly opposite is a nightclub. And no, I won't be going there. Not in my flip-flops. Now I'm gonna walk to the main street here and see if I can find somewhere to eat. Maybe a kebab place or a pizza place, or failing that, just find a supermarket